Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. And today we are going to be taking the CLK back up to the mountains again. I'm excited this time because we've got my buddy with the M3 right here. If you guys are new to the channel, we've done a few videos on this car, and man, this car is amazing. It's not just a regular M3, it's actually a supercharged M3. So you guys stay tuned for this. I think I've done only 2 videos on this car. I'm excited to actually see it, how it does in the mountains, to be honest. Like, this is, it's pretty much built for, you know, the track and the mountains. This is it right here. It's pretty sick. And then we've actually got my other buddy here, David. He's been on Tail of the Dragon with us a few times. This thing did pretty good, so it should be a good fun run. I haven't had my coffee yet, but I figured I'll go something different this morning. What do you think you're gonna have? A Monster? Okay, I might just go Monster then. This stuff is really good. The Nitro Monster. What are you gonna have, Gary? Ooh.
One for me, one for my father.
All right. That was pretty fun, huh? Oh yeah, not bad at all. Good thing there weren't a lot of, you know, cars around.
I was wondering where
Monica's like, man, are those Gary's brakes? I'm like, yeah, those are race brakes. That's why it's squeaking. How was it?
Oh, that was insane.
Oh yeah. Dude, it's a lot chillier up here in the mountains. Yeah. Man, that's crazy. That supercharger at top 10.
Yeah.
Got me.
I was like, I didn't even get out of 3rd gear.
Oh, you didn't get out of 3rd gear? Dang.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's
oh, yeah,
like too much for this.
Yeah, I was at 3rd gear also.
Yeah. That car sounded nice.
Thanks. It's pretty windy. Dude, you were right up there. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty good. That was pretty good.
I'm following you. I was like, let me see.
tires couldn't keep up, and the brakes, obviously, he's got bigger brakes. Sounded really good. Woo, woo, woo. Oh yeah. Dude, when your car wants to talk, it talks.
It's quiet.
It talks.
Really quiet.
Yeah, dude, it sounds really good. Like once you get on it, wow. So yeah, that's the R32 sitting right there. Hey, if you guys want to buy an R32, just leave a comment down below, because this car is awesome. It's cammed and everything. This is what the oh yeah, Golf R, yeah. And we've got a what was it, a E320?
E350?
Yeah.
No, not a 350, 6-cylinder.
Okay. Yeah, guys, but if you want to buy this car, hey, definitely DM me or something, so because
that's the Porsche wagon.
Yeah. Guys, that was a really fun run. Hey, if you guys really want to check this car out, there's a video on my channel. Just type in M3 supercharged, or just look for it on my channel. Some really, really cool stuff about this car.